my family. welcome to my kitchen. I cook Catalan chickpeas. Normally I cook these dishes in Easter. This recipe is for 6 people and it is very easy peasy. Well, let's go. It's important for this recipe the utensils, the cooking utensils. A 1 wooden spoon, one louder, a big knife, 1 colander, 1 balance, and mortar, and with wooden mullet. Finally, a big sauce spoon. First, I peel the garlic. I cut the garlic, and then I add the garlic in the mortar. Add the branched parsley. Add salt and a sliced bread. Add the almond, all in the mortar. I put aside dressing. Okay. Then I peel the onion and cut it. For 5 minutes, the onion is prepared, and I cut the tomato and add in a saucepan. And add the white of the dressing. Add the dressing in the saucepan. Mix together for 5 minutes. Before I boiled the spinach and dry them and add with the chickpeas in the saucepan. Let's go. And then I mix all ingredients and for 12 minutes. Now for decoration these dishes, I cut eggs and then add this Catalan chickpeas. Enjoy!